Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Konami ID and enabling 2FA so you can change server bindings securely. Next, backup local saves and config files. This prevents data loss if something fails. Once done, gather the target server details, region name, IP or DNS, and required port list, because you'll need them for routing and firewall rules. Now log into the client or admin panel and locate the server binding section to begin the switch. You will now stop the client or service to avoid conflicting sessions. Open the binding or network configuration area and replace the old server address with the new server's IP/DNS. Make sure the port mappings match. After editing, update firewall and NAT rules to permit the new endpoint and commit changes in one operation so partial states don't occur. Once committed, restart the service and monitor logs for handshake and authentication messages to verify connectivity. Finish by validating user login, matchmaking, and latency. Run a couple of real sessions to confirm stability. Make sure session tokens rotate correctly and that saved progress synchronizes. This is why you backed up data first. If anything goes wrong, roll back immediately using the saved config and analyze logs. A common troubleshooting tip: check port blocks, DNS cache or TTL delays, and TLS certificate issues, since those are the usual culprits when a new server fails to accept authenticated connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.